still a low side. I ain't got the run back money, nothing up. I'm just out here cruising with some big boys this week.
Now, wait a minute now. That kind of big of rice and beans. Hey, Chucky 7. Rice and beans went over there to kind of big in Dollar General. That rice and beans went over there to Dollar General and got them kind of big in Dollar Smokies and took those hot dogs over there and smashed them all up. And he impersonated the taco meat and gave all the booty mamas the shits.
Hey, rice and beans, you got some competition. I thought I heard Fireball come and say you've been going to the dollar store. You've been getting some sausage at the dollar store. I don't know where you get that from. I don't know where the fuck you get that from. Rice and beans, break. Fireball 500 with the wave.
Man, hey, I told you, that cop bigger went over there to the Dollar General and he got those cop bigger Dollar Smokies. And he is impersonating the taco meat, and it gave the booty mamas the shits. It gave them the Hershey squirts.
Rice and beans, that's what they're talking about. You go to Dollar General, you get them hot dogs. I forgot what kind of smoky hot dogs or something he was saying. And he said you put that in the taco meat, you get that big woman the squirts. They get the squirts with them, that break.
And that kind of big and money mouth mud dog got to clean all those outhouses, man. Hey, Chucky 7. That kind of big and rice and beans got to clean all them outhouses because all the booty mamas had the Hershey squirts.
Yeah, that's bad for business. That's bad for business on that end. You say he got to clean it up after them big booty mamas. After them booty mamas eat them tacos with them little smokies in there, it gives them the squirts and he got to clean all that mess up, Fireball. You should be ashamed of yourself, right?
It ain't my fault, it's just what I heard. Hey, Chucky 7, it ain't my fault, it's just what I heard. And then he was in those kind of big and outhouses. He was in there for too long, and he found out one of the booty mamas was in there, but he didn't come out and open the door.
He was trying to say something, Papa, but I couldn't hear what he was saying. When you got off, I heard you say you got customers on that. Hey, man, rice and beans. That fucker got a mole in my ears. He got a mole in my ears. He talking bad about the taco truck that break. Baby's got cell phone.
I learned it from you. I learned this from you. You talked shiggity for 45 minutes yesterday. Now it's my turn. Hey, Chucky 7, you talked shiggity about 147 yesterday for 45 minutes. Now it's my turn.
Yeah, right. I sure did get 147 here. I just believe he needed that. He needed that. That little short duck plucker needed that break.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how tall that rice and beans is. Hey, I know those kind of big and Mexicans are kind of short. Hey, Chucky 7, I know those Mexicans down there are kind of short on that kind of big end, and he said he had to go make some more tacos, but I feel bad about the booty mamas. Hey, Chucky 7, I feel bad about those kind of big and booty mamas because they're going to get the Hershey squirts.
Chucky 7 the booty mama. They always lined up to get their tacos. I believe that's just really serious for business, that break.
Hey, Chucky 7. Hey, Chucky 7. Two Black Business said that you might be rice and beans booty mamas. Hey, Chucky 7. Two Black Business said that you might be rice and beans booty mama.
Chucky 7, they're the booty mama, the taco truck, I'm getting down. From Mississippi on that end. He wanted to stay with them big booty woman, that break.
Wait a minute. I think he's talking to, hey, Two Black Business, don't worry about kind of big of rice and beans. He's out there jumping up and down. Hey, two black biscuits, don't worry about rice and beans. He's out there jumping up and down.
You told me to. Because he's jumping up and down like a cotton picking jack. You say he's just like a cotton picking jack in the box. He's up and down, up and down. Hey, Fireball, you say please do not worry about rice and beans because he's jumping up and down.
That's right. That coming, yes, all right. Hey, rice and beans jumping up and down like cop picking a kangaroo on a pogo stick. And he should be over there making the cop picking tacos for the booty mamas as he giving all the booty mamas the Hershey squirts, two black biscuits.
Ain't getting a minute for Chucky 7. Bluegill brother. My bluegill brother like the booty mamas. That's all Chucky 7 like, folks. So bad he ate them duck plugs that he was... He on the mall. Tell him now.
Oh, hey, Chucky 7. Do you like all the booty mamas? Hey, Chucky 7. That cop bigger two black biscuits said you over there at the golf course, you over there wanting the booty mamas. Is that true?
Spending money. Fireball again now. On the ball again now. The place like Jack in the box.
He said that he cut your radio off. He said you spent all the money on the booty mamas at the golf course. Hey, Chucky 7, that guy big in two black biscuits said that you over there at the golf course spending all them monies on the booty mamas.
Him or J.B. Stone at the golf course spending money. Who's that spending money? It's Chucky 7 and J.B. Stone. Golf course spending money on the booty mamas, folks.
Hey, Chucky 7, that guy being two black biscuits said that you and J.B. Stone are over there at the golf course. You're over there spending money on the cop big and booty mamas. You don't even have any money for tea time.
Tell my bluegill brother, I said howdy. Fireball, two black biscuits got down.
Hey, Chucky 7, two black biscuits said hello to you. He said howdy, and welcome to the weekend. He said howdy, and welcome to the weekend. He said, you and J.B. Stone better not be spending all that money on the booty mamas. Hey, Chucky 7, two black biscuits want to wave a hand at you, and he said, don't be spending all the money on the booty mamas.
That's why we had to quit going to New Orleans. That's how come we had to quit going to that break. Chucky might be trying to hit a hole in one. He might be trying to hit a hole in one. Break.
Hey, Hardcore 24 keyed up said you might be trying to hit a hole in one. Hey, Chucky 7, Hardcore 24 said that you might be trying to hit a hole in one.
I pity for one of them booty mamas. He might be trying to hit a hole in one of them booty mamas, baby. I hear him like that jumping up and down. Spend the most money, folks here.
Oh, no. Hardcore 24 cut all your radio off. Hardcore 24 cut all your radio off. He said you trying to get a hole in one with the booty mamas. Hey, Chucky 7, he said you trying to get a hole in one with the booty mamas.
He trying to get a hole in one with the booty mamas, no doubt. Say something, but I'm going to be nice, that break.
He cut your radio off again. Hey, Chucky 7, Hardcore 24 cut your radio off again. He said that you and J.B. Stone, you over there spending all that money on them cop big and booty mamas trying to get a hole in one.
Hey, Fireball. Fireball. See, I'm gonna be nice. I ain't gonna say nothing bad tonight. I'm gonna be a good guy tonight. I'm gonna be a good guy that break.
he said he's going to leave you alone. Hey, Chucky 7, he said he's going to leave you alone. When he got off the key, you popped out there like Jack in the Box talking about you're going to be a good guy tonight. You said you're going to be a good guy tonight. Well, you over there going to get with J.B. Stone trying to get a hole-in-one with the booty mamas at the golf course.
Who said that? Holding the money. Hardcore holding both of their money. Hardcore holding both of those money that you fucked in.
Wait a minute, what? Wait a minute. Two Black Biscuits said that he's taking on Hardcore 24's money. Hey, wait a minute now. Two Black Biscuits said that he's taking all Hardcore 24's money.
Really couldn't have freedom mail. Damn, they're waiting for me to kill. I ain't scared. I'm gonna key up.
I already forgot. Hey, Two Black Bitch, you said, tell him what I said. And you said it, but I forgot what it was. What was it, Two Black Biscuits?
Hey, fella. Tell him to spend that money and don't look for no bubble gum. Tell him to spend that money
Okay. He said spend that money, but don't look for no rubber duck. Hey, Chucky 7, that guy big and Two Black Bitches said spend that money and don't look for no rubber duck. Hardcore 24 is looking for the rubber duck.
He's looking for love in all of them.
Oh my God, that got real rough. That was Hardcore 24. Wait a minute, what? Hey, Hardcore 24, you said something, and then Two Black Bitches said uppercut, and then I lost. You guys are all neck and neck. But Hardcore 24 said something I forgot.
Oh, you are. Bubblegum. Trying to say, Bubblegum. Hardcore said, I want me some bubblegum.
Okay. He said he cut your radio off. Hey, Two Black Bitches. Hardcore 24 cut your radio off, but you said bubblegum. He said he's getting out the middle of the road. Hey, Two Black Bitches. Hardcore 24 said he was getting out the middle of the road, and Chucky 7's over there counting his money so he can look for the booty mamas with J.B. Stone.
I'm up. Hey, Mother Nature gonna switch, and I'm gonna talk about them ducks. Mother Nature gonna switch in a little while, and I'm gonna talk about them ducks that break.
You can do it right now. You can do Are you gonna do it? Hey, Chucky 7, are you gonna do it? Are you qualified? You said that Mother Nature's gonna switch, and you're gonna talk bad about them guys.
You're gonna bleed. They just don't get ready. They ain't gonna have that rabbit foot all night. They're not gonna keep that rabbit foot all night. When Mother Nature switches in the middle of Bayou, I'm gonna take them like some dogs that break.
You said that when the rabbit foot switches, you're gonna talk about them like dogs. Hey, Chucky 7. You said when the rabbit foot switches, you're gonna talk about them like dogs there, break.
I'm gonna sit them down. Yeah, but the wave is getting down.
Okay, wait a minute now. You said something about the rainbow. Hey, Chucky 7, you said something about the rainbow, and then I got somebody about in Michigan, or, no wait, I got the number 13 man in the hog yard. Wait a minute, you said something about the rainbow bar again.
Yeah. $85 swamp dog warming up. $85 swamp dog is warming up. $5 swamp dog trying to get warmed up. Break. They're looking for the rainbow on Bourbon Street. They didn't find a pot of gold that break.
You better run. Chucky 7, you better run. You better run like the world's on fire with gasoline drawers on. Hey, Chucky 7, you better run like the world's on fire with gasoline drawers on. That kind of big and Swamp Dog said he's warming up. Run!
That's my tag team partner. He gonna hit me. That's my tag team partner. He gonna be my tag team partner. I just want to say good evening to you. Welcome to the weekend, man. I ain't got to run. I just come to say good evening and welcome to the weekend. Hello, 5-0 Swamp Dog, Louisiana is right back. Come on.
Well, I was just telling Chucky 7 to run. Hey, Swamp Dog, I was just telling Chucky 7 to run because Two Black Biscuits said that they're over there at the golf course at tea time. They're over there getting their money together trying to get them booty mamas.
There ain't nothing wrong with that 5-ball. If they trying to get their money together to get them booty mamas, I'm going to have to pitch in. Oh, 5-ball. I'm going to have to pitch in and help them out on that couch making it. If they trying to get them booty mamas, I'm going to pitch in and help them boys out. That's the Cat Nigga Show. Hello to you, 5-ball, Swamp Dog, Louisiana. Right back. Come on.
And I'm saying hello right back to you there, Swamp Dog. Hey, Swamp Dog, you said you're going to pitch in. Hey, Swamp Dog, you said when Chucky 7 and JB Stone over there at the golf course, over there at tea time, looking for a hole-in-one with the booty mamas, you said you're going to pitch in their break.
I'm going to help them boys out, boy. Hey, 5-ball, you may help them Cat Niggas out, no doubt about it. I can't leave them hanging on that doggone here. That's a Cat Nigga Show. But I ain't coming to say, I just wanted to say hello to you. I'm going to get my Cat Nigga knees out there to breathe. Take care, 5-ball, West Side, Swamp Dog, warm me up, this Jamaican jackass is getting out.
Boy, that Jamaican jackass is working good, too. Hey, Swamp Dog, that Jamaican jackass is working real good while the sun's going down on this 35 miles of water. That's why I'm a badass! That's why I'm a badass!
Tell my homeboy, I say good job, good job, good job, and welcome to the weekend. And there's Two Black Biscuits still out there. Tell him I say hello, so I'm going to get out of the Cat Nigga way. Take care, 5-ball, Swamp Dog, Louisiana, get down.
All right, he cut your radio off. Oh, Two Black Biscuits said he said welcome to the weekend. Hey, Swamp Dog, Two Black Biscuits cut your radio off. He said welcome to the Cotton Weekend. He said tell my friend welcome to the weekend. And we got off the key. You popped out there like Jack and Mock said the same thing, Swamp Dog, their break.
Go back and tell my homeboy I say welcome to the weekend right back, and I appreciate it. Hey, 5-0, go back and tell my homeboy, Mr. David T Bird, Two Black Biscuit. I say welcome to the weekend, and I tell him right back, and I appreciate the friendly 5-0, Swamp Dog is getting out.
I'll tell him you said welcome to the weekend right back. Hey, you said you appreciate it. Hey, Swamp Dog, you said tell him you appreciate it, and you tell him welcome to the weekend right back. Swamp Dog, I rolled your Bill Cody. Where'd you go, Chucky 7?
Weekend, good job. Tell my homeboy, good job, and welcome to the weekend. Talk to you. He's looking at you. He's looking at me. I could hear what he was saying there, right.
Okay. Well, he cut all your radios off. He said he's getting out the middle of the road. Hey, Chucky 7. Hey, Two Black Biscuits. Swamp Dog said he's getting out the middle of the road, and when he got off the key, Two Black Biscuits said that he's waving right back, and I done already forgot. Boy, you guys got some watts out there.
But I want to tell you about them big booty women. I know they cheat on me, but I hear them big booty women. That's how I practice my golf. Hey, 5-ball, that's how I practice my booty on that end. I get them big booty women to sit on the ground, open their legs, and they try to make a hole-in-one. They try to put the ball and make a hole-in-one. That's why I'm so good at putting that break.
Wait a minute! Chucky 7, you said when you and JB Stone get all that money together for them booty mamas, you get them up there on the Cotton and Putting Green, and you open their legs, and you make sure you can do, that's where you do all your putting practice.
I practice making them hole-in-one. That's why I'm so good at putting that break.
Oh my lordy. Wait a minute. So that means that you, wait a minute. So that means that you like watching them kind of big and booty mamas spread their kind of big legs so you get a hole in one? Hey, wait a minute now. How you going to get a hole in one if you didn't get it in the hole at first?
Yeah, but I'm going to get it in the hole. I'm going to put it in the hole because I got something to aim with. And then most of the time when I'm doing that, I got some aiming fluid in that right.
You said you got something to aim with. Hey, Chucky 7. You said you got something to practice with and aim with. Well, dang it, man. That's why I need to be your caddy. I am definitely not going to get no big golf ball out the water, though. I want to see you put a hole in one in the booty mamas spread their legs.
The whole thing get hard. The whole thing is getting hard in the water. It's still too hard. Chucky 7, I'm out the way. Hit him in the pond so he can dive down there and get them balls that break right.
Wait. Wait a minute. Oh, I can't even repeat that. Hey, two black bitches, I can't even repeat that. You're talking about Chucky 7 getting hard that break.
Get the what? I guess you having too much fun. I've been here
I don't know what he said. I might have forgot. Hey, Chucky 7, I don't know what two black bitches said. I might have forgot.
He's not responsible for his actions. His tongue getting hard. I hear him screaming back there.
Okay, this is twice now. Oh, no, I got it. Hey, okay. So when you and JB Stone got the kind of big booty mamas with their legs wide open, so you can over there get a hole in one. Two black biscuits. Your tongue's getting hard. That's what he said. He had to tell me twice. Hey, Chucky 7, he had to tell me twice. He said that your tongue getting hard when you make the putt.
What's up, Fireball?
Hey, what's going on there, Snoop Dogg? Hey, what's going on there, Snoop Dogg? I'm waving at you while you jumping up and down. Hey, hello to you, Snoop Dogg, Pimp C, Fireball waving.
I just wanted to say hello. Hey, Fireball, I just wanted to wave you, man. I just wanted to say hello. I can't figure out something I needle in the corner. I just figured out wave my hand. Hello, Fireball. Back when you're reading the mail.
I ain't telling Roger on that one. I'm glad I came out and said hello. Hey, Snoop Dogg, I'm glad you came out here and said hello. Is that Cop Big and Chucky 7 and JB Stone? They're over there at the Cop Big and golf course with the booty mamas spreading their Cop Big and legs. And when they make a Cop Big and putt, two black bitches said their tongues are hard.
Hey, you're fat, Hey, cowboy, you read the mail up there in the corner? How about it, Midnight Cowboy? Hey, Midnight Cowboy, Yellow Jacket, one of us can read the mail up in the corner, brother.
No, that kind of big Midnight Cowboy's not reading the mail. That kind of big trying to put his jacket on. It's 22 degrees below zero. Get your fat toes a pumping. Hey, Yellow Jacket. That kind of big Midnight Cowboy's over there freezing his kind of big balls off trying to find his jacket.
Right. Hey, Fireball, the last time old Chucky 7 in your water gate, man, I was laughing. So, 212 is on the street. Going in and out of the street. Hey, Fireball's talking to the puppy man. Hey, Fireball, Yellow Jacket, so I thought you was talking to the... We're trying to talk to Midnight Cowboy. Hey, I'm trying to talk to Midnight. You talk talk to the puppy. Bye.
I can't talk to the fluffy puppy if you out there trying to talk to Midnight Cowboy when he's trying to keep himself warm. Hey, I heard you a little bit there. Oh, yeah, that is funny there the other day with 212 on the swing there, Snoop Dogg. But, hey, Yellow Jacket. Yeah, man. Hey, you ain't going to be talking to no Cop Biggin Midnight Cowboy. He's out there looking for a Scott Biggin Carhartt so he can stay warm because it's 20 degrees below zero, Yellow Jacket.
Don't do that, man. What you doing here? How you gonna do it? 041, 041. Hold this up. Yeah, man, that shit had me laughing. Fireball, quit waiting on Yellow Jacket. I might get in there and squash with him a little bit. I don't know. What's going on your end?
I got everybody calling me right now. I got the whole world calling me on the radio. I got Chucky 7 and Hardcore 24 and Yellow Jacket and the whole world calling me. I don't know who that was who just said that. I don't know who that was who just called me. I'm saying hello to you, man. But I got to get out of here and write all this stuff down, man. I've been Watergate for the last 28 minutes with Chucky 7, Hardcore 24, and 2 Black Biscuits. Fireball's waving.
Fireball, I'm still waving too.
Yeah, hello to you, 319. Hey, 319 out there around the mag. Fireball going to wave at you also. Hey, hello to you there, 319 out there around the mag. Your friend Fireball, the king of Gift of Gab. Look at Joe Guys' radio. Don't you know that I'm the king of Gift of Gab? I'm the real king of Gift of Gab. All right, there, 319. We've been having a whole lot of fun on the radio the last 30 minutes. You're right. Hey, 319. We've been having all kinds of fun on the Cop Biggin Radio with Cop Biggin Chucky 7 and JB Stone over there at Cop Biggin Golf Course trying to make a Cop Biggin putt with the booty mamas spreading their legs, and 2 Black Biscuits said their tongues are hard.
So 319 get out of here, 318 you might can get in here, Fireball, 318 standing by. Mr. Holy One, break.
Get out of there. Take care, Chucky. So I don't know if you called me. Hey, 318, I heard you there in Alabama. Hey, 318, I think I heard you too also there in Alabama. Fireball waving at you also. Fireball's waving to everybody, man. I'm waving to the whole world. Boston, Austin, Spain to Maine, and Aruba to Cuba. I got the radio. I'm the king of Gift of Gab. That's why I'm the badass.
That's why the Fireball going absolutely crazy. Take your Fireball. Say hello.
By 041. Hey, Zigzag, you out there jumping up and down. Hey, Zigzag, you out there jumping up and down like a big kangaroo on a pogo stick. Hey, Zigzag, you out there jumping up and down like a kangaroo on a pogo stick on Fireball Friday. By 041, by Zigzag. We'll catch you later, man. I'm out the middle of the road. I'm going to let these boys have it, man. That kind of begging Midnight Cowboy out there begging for, not Midnight Cowboy. That kind of begging Yellow Jacket's begging for Midnight Cowboy to come out there, but Midnight Cowboy's freezing his nuts off. That kind of begging, hey, 041. That convict in Yellow Jacket, he's out there begging for Midnight Cowboy to come out there, but Midnight Cowboy's out there freezing his nuts off at 20 degrees below zero in Montana.
Jerry, come on, he's freezing like that. Hey, 5 balls, 0-41, and Minnesota, he's freezing like that. Take care, 5 balls, 0-41, Minnesota, get down.
Yeah, man, I talked to Midnight Cowboy today. Hey, 041. I talked to Midnight Cowboy today. He said it's 15 degrees below zero. Hey, 041. I talked to Midnight Cowboy today, and he said it was 15 degrees below zero. And that convict in Yellow Jacket out there begging to talk to him. That convict out there trying to get his nuts warm.
Yeah, but I might have to bump it up just a little bit. Ain't nobody's business in the cold gleaming to you, Yellow Jacket trying to get around your neck of the woods there, breaker.
You get your fat toes pumping, calling that nobody's business. You can't talk to him either. Hey, Yellow Jacket, well, now you over there begging Midnight Cowboy to call you. Now you begging for that guy begging nobody's business in Alaska to get your fat toes pumping. You can't hear those mud ducks unless I stop talking. You can't hear them unless I stop keying.
Hey, Fireball, why you gotta be so bad?
Man, I don't know. I just get kind of like, I mean, I know Yellow Jacket, he can't key with Snoop Dogg. Oh, Yellow Jack, he can't key with Snoop Dogg, so he got to beg for somebody else to talk to him there, Zigzag. But them guys ain't out there. Them guys, he's out there trying to beg for him to talk to him. But I'm out here. I'm the king of Get the Gap. I'm the only one out here on the radio. All these other guys are scared to key. They wish they could do the talking that I could on Fireball Friday, Zigzag.
Fireball Friday. Fireball Friday. Don't get out of here. I'm going to be the man. Zigzag got them all down. Zigzag signing on and the man know you're gone. My lips are sealed. I'm gone.
Hey, 041. Hey, 041. No, Zigzag just out there jumping up and down. Hey, 041. Zigzag's just out there jumping up and down like a booty mama on a pogo stick.
You like that? Like that? That'd be my friend. Fireball, don't talk about my friend. Fireball 041 said, don't talk about my friend. I'm getting down.
All right, I'm out the middle of the road. I got to go. Hey, 041. I've been out here 32 minutes, man. Hey, 041. I've been out here 32 minutes, and I had that mile down for 32 minutes. Someone let the rest of these boys have it, man. Hey, 041. I didn't let them guys talk for the last 45 minutes. I pressed record there 30 minutes ago. 041, you take care, man. I'm out the middle of the road. I'm going to let these guys have it. These guys can't talk when I'm out here. They wish they could. They dream about it. Hey, 041, they're just saying, please let Fireball stop talking. Please let Fireball, the king of Get the Gap, stop talking, because then I might be able to talk on the radio. 041, take care. Fireball's 10-7.
All right, Fireball, put it on letter. Jingle, season greeting. Jingle, season greeting. Fireball 041, get down. On Fireball Friday, man. Good evening, Fireball. Water pipe here. One of these two pickle jars up, waving a hand.
I'm going to key one more time and wave at you, water pipe. Hey, water pipe. I'm going to key one more time for the March of Dimes. Old 041 got up that key. You popped out there like where the hell was Waldo, and Zigzag be looking for you. Hey, water pipe. I'm going to wave at you. You popped out like big, and where was Waldo when 041 got off that key? Water pipe. I'm waving.
Hey, you got a hold in that pipe. That water pipe got a bunch of holes in it. A lot of holes in it, Fireball. It ain't holding no water. Take out Fireball 041 said that water pipe got a lot of holes in it, I'll tell you. But I waved a hand, and I did it that way. It said, you tell 041, I said, believe it too. And I appreciate the question. Hey, Fireball, water pipe back.
All right, water pipe, take care. That kind of big 041 said you got a leak. Hey, Hey, water pipe. You said you just come out here and wave a hand, but 041 said you got a leak in your water pipe, and Zigzag got to come over there and fix it. Hey, you better call Zigzag. He might be able to come fix your big leak in your water pipe.
Them boys really that bad, man. Hey, Fireball, Craps, you don't want to know it. Them boys really that bad. Break.
Oh, man, Crap Shooter, I didn't even know you could hear me up there, buddy. Hey, Crap Shooter, I didn't know you could hear me in Indiana. I've been talking to Louisiana, the Mag, kind of big in Arkansas. I've been talking everywhere. Hey, Crap Shooter, everybody comes in my radio when the sun comes down on this 35 miles of water there, break.
All right, there, Fireball. There, Fireball. 454, these little kids back with waving, break. Show for the last 30 minutes, I've been jumping up and down doing a James Brown trying to get in your audio on this 5-4 Friday. What do you think?
Oh, man, well, everybody's been jumping in my radio. 454 Disco Kid just jumped in my radio. Oh, my God. Hey, hello. Hey, Crap Shooter, you said you've been jumping up and down, but, hey, man, that's just what comes in my radio. And hello to you there, 454, Mr. Disco Kid. Fireball gonna wave at you also there, break.
Right back to Mr. Fireball, man. You doggone sounding good around the hood. We had a doggone good Thanksgiving. I haven't talked to you in a few days, but we had a doggone good one. No doubt about it, my friend. Fireball, they give me here front. When you talk, we gotta listen. 454 Disco Kid, back your way. Come on.
Hey, right back there, 454 Disco Kid. Oh, yeah, man, it's been a little while since I've been on the radio. I've been on the radio the last couple of days, here and there. But last week, man, for the last week and a half, boy, I was over there hanging out with family. My kids came out here, and we went riding dirt bikes, quads, and all that stuff. So I haven't really been on the radio, so that's why I've been on the radio every once in a while, having some fun on the radio on Fireball Friday there, break.
Hey, 14 on the Fireball Friday, man. Talk show. Coming in, get my name called, and get the national talk show. So let's get my friend Fireball. 454 Disco Kid right back. Come on.
Well, you sound real good. It sounds like you got a little tight on that end. Your audio's a little weird. You got to turn that drive down or something. Hey, 454, Mr. Disco Kid. Your audio's sounding a little weird. I was just letting you know there, break.
Hey, 14, first of all, go D-key there. How to sound right there. Come on.
Oh, yeah, that's way better. Hey, 454, Disco Kid. Boy, that was tenfold. Hey, 454, Disco Kid. That was tenfold, break.
Hey, 14 on the doggone 10-4. Y'all doggone the fact that this kid there had up too much. I got that coloration saying I got some swing in my thing. What you think, break?
Oh, yeah, that sounds a lot better. Hey, yeah, I know my potentiometer gets messed up, too, and sometimes I have too much drive out there. That happens to me, too. But right now, you got it down. You got it all sounding real good. 454, Mr. Disco Kid. Hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving weekend like I did. Mr. Disco Kid. Fireball, the real king of Get the Gap. Ain't nobody could do this like me, man. Hey, Disco Kid. Ain't nobody could do this shit like me.
Right back there, Fireball. Yeah, you definitely a doggone playing by yourself, man. You got a doggone mall there in the backwoods. You back in my doggone strawberry patch all by yourself. Ain't nobody running behind you. You got count control if I receive. Hello, once again, Mr. Fireball. 454 Disco Kid, right back. Come on.
I love it like this. I love talking on the radio like this. These guys can't do nothing with me. They just sit back and watch their CB like a TV and dream. Hey, 454 Disco Kid. These boys out here on the West Coast, they just sit back on their radio and watch their CB like a TV and dream about being like Fireball.
Hey, 14, you're exactly right. I was doggone, I can doggone get in there and hold a doggone kiss so down with you. And nobody didn't knock me out and everything. Time for the doggone ball down your receive also. But Fireball, you definitely got it down in mind, no doubt about it. You got count control of my receive. Hello, once again, Fireball. Just come here right back. Come on.
Man, yesterday I was out here. I talked to Chucky 7 yesterday for like 50 minutes straight, man. Me and him, we talked so much trash about everybody on that end, and we just kept talking and kept talking. And yesterday, I told him I was like, dude, because he goes, it was raining. He goes, well, it's raining. I just got to come in here and talk shiggity on the radio. Boy, I come here and talk so much shiggity for like 30 minutes. I told him, I said, put a jacket on and go golfing. He was talking too much shiggity there, break.
Hey, go get them doggone chickens. I tell you what, it's always doggone fun when you talk to chickens and talk that long and nobody get between you. That's really impressive. I call it channel control. You know, everybody can't do that. There is no doubt about it. But you want a few you can. You get it by receive. Fireball, just go kids right back. They rocks in your mail.
Yeah, that's kind of stuff I like on the radio. I don't really like fighting with everybody else. I never did. You know, I'll fight with these mud ducks. I'll show them that they're mud ducks and this and that. You know, I'll show them what's up. But all these guys want to do is key on Fireball anyway. But me, I just want to talk to all my friends and do what I'm doing right now and not have to worry about everybody else their break.
Hey, folks, you're in there. You just ain't got a doggone word. Like I say, nobody riding you. You doggone got it down in my receipt, back in my strawberry patch. Ain't nobody even close to you, nobody in the background. You got a hammer in my receipt, a.k.a. a pipeline. 454 looking back at you. Fireball, come on.
Yeah, that's because the sun's coming down on this 35 miles of water. Hey, 454 Disco Kid. That's because the sun's coming down on this 35 miles of water. But I'm going to get back out of here, man. I'm going to go grab me another beer and do a few other things on that end. I've done been out here another hour or so. And I'm going to get out the middle of the road there at 454 Disco Kid. But I'm glad you came in and said hello, howdy doody, and lottie dotty to Fireball, the king of gift the gab, on Fireball Friday.
Well, right back there, Fireball, to gift the gab, a.k.a. Mr. E.F. Hunt. When you up there mall now, we got to listen, no doubt about it. Take care, and God's grace around your place. Fireball, real good sounding station. 454 Disco Kid, backwoods, with boots on the ground, and getting on down.
Mr. Godfather stepping.
All right, there, 454. Take care. Take them easy. Hello to you, Godfather. I'm going to say hello to you. I heard you after old 454 got off that mall. I want to say hello to you, man. Hey, Godfather, if you can hear me, Fireball want to tell you how bitchin' I am. hey, I want to tell you how bitchin' I am.
I've been reading the mail.
Hey, Fireball, I want to do a doggone drive-by on the Godfather. Hey, Fireball, I want to do a drive-by on the Godfather there, 410.
Tell you done tooted your horn so much today, your horn probably won't blow no more there, 410.
Wait a minute. 454, wait a minute, 454. I was just, you say you want, wait a minute. He was just waving a hand at me, 454. Hey, Disco Kid. He was just waving a hand at me. He just wanted to tell me how, if my shoulders were broken from patting myself on the back all day.
Hey, 14, no doubt about it. But y'all want doggone coming in or do a drive-by on the Godfather. He's always trying to hit me upside the head. He's trying to doggone get something back, no doubt about it. Take care, Fireball. 454 Disco Kid, backwoods. He rocks your mail.
All right there, Disco Kid. Take care, man. We'll catch you come later. Hey, Disco Kid, we'll catch you come later at another time, because right about now, I bet them boys out there around Hawaii out there jumping up and down like kangaroos on pogo sticks as I got all their conditions. Take care, Disco Kid. Take care, my friend, the Godfather, Mr. GBN. Your friend Fireball, the real badass. The real badass! I'm getting out the middle of the road.
Hey, Fireball, before you get out of there, tell Godfather I cut his lips off. Hey, Fireball, tell Godfather Disco Kid cut his lips off. 410.
Wait till you, Fireball, you got a copy. Mr. Godfather, Atlanta, 10-6, I'm gone.
All right there, Godfather. 454 Disco Kid wanted me to let you know that he cut your lips off. Hey, you want me to do a Fireball style? He was just waving a hand at me. You want me to do a Fireball style? All right. That God-thinking 454 Disco Kid came out there and cut your radio off, Mr. GBN.
1 weather, khaki lackey, 351 weathers back in your receipt.
And I might have lost him. Hey, 454, I might have lost him. I mean, he's like 5 pounds in my radio.
Hey, 410, y'all doggone cut his radio off and everything. He's not going to come back out. That's what I call doing a doggone drive-by and everything. So he's squashing right now. Like I doggone channel control around the backwoods. 454 tomorrow now, looking your way. Bum, bum.
Well, you sounded real good. You got the radio all by yourself. Hey, 454 Disco Kid. You got the radio all by yourself. 454, take care. I'm back out the middle of the road. I'm done talking to these God-thinking guys. These guys been wanting to talk for the last 50 minutes, and they can't do no talking until I'm gone.
Well, I'm going to dog got the bill away too and everything, because we got it doggone locked down. I'm going to let my doggone people go. Everybody know the doggone green light is on. 454 Disco Kid, backwoods, getting on down. I heard what you I heard what you said. I guess the conditions are not really in my favor, but I definitely got you in my receipt. I don't have a good copy on you, but you're coming from the Kanky Lankies. And bring that handle back to me again. Bring the handle back to me again so I can call your name. Call.
Bye.
Hey, Cut Man, I say Cisco. Hey, Cut Man. Cisco Kid was a